It's getting to the point where there are so many good apps that my phone storage is reaching capacity, or at least it was before I went through all of my devices, deleted the apps I can live without, and that left me with the apps I genuinely find beneficial. So in this video I'm going to be covering a number of apps that genuinely enrich my life. At number 1 is Day 1, which is a journal app that makes it easy to record your life's moments. It's perfect for capturing memories, thoughts and reflections, with features like photo integration, location tagging, and the ability to create multiple journals. It encourages regular journaling and helps you look back on your personal growth over time. I don't use it as regularly as I used to, but at my peak I was using it pretty much every day, and what's really interesting is to look back on memories or thoughts and reflections from several years ago to see how far I've come, and how my opinions have shifted and developed over time. The next one is Notion. And Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and organize. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to create notes, databases, calendars, and more. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, Notion can help you keep everything in one place, improving your own personal efficiency and organization. Most of the planning for all my YouTube content and even some of my personal projects happens through Notion, because I really like the interface where you can essentially keep your hands on the keyboard, and through some nice interactions and shortcuts you can get to where you want to go without having to really learn some complicated user interface. The next one is GoodNotes, and GoodNotes is my handwriting equivalent or counterpart to Notion, but it's a powerful note-taking app for iPad that mimics the experience of writing on paper. It supports handwritten notes, PDF annotation, and document management. Ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who prefers the flexibility of digital note-taking with the natural feel of handwriting. Overall, my creative process usually involves, if I think of an idea on the go, I will note it down on Apple Notes. Then when I flesh it out, I usually involve GoodNotes. And then when it comes to planning or organization, it comes back to Notion. So between those three things, I think you have some pretty good tools at your disposal when it comes to productivity and planning. The next one is Duolingo, which makes learning a language fun and accessible. I've covered this before, but with bite-sized lessons that gamify the learning process, it's easy to stay motivated and make progress. Whether you're learning for travel, work, or personal enrichment, Duolingo helps you achieve your language goals. Now there are some alternatives to Duolingo which I think offer some very nice features, and I've made a video about this in the past, so feel free to check that out if you're interested in finding out which language learning app is best for you, and overall the best methods to learn a new language. The next one I've sort of cheated because I've combined 3 different apps into one, depending on which one you tend to prefer listening to, but they are Apple Music, Spotify, and Audible. Because between all 3 of these, you can listen to ebooks, music, podcasts, and many other forms of audio content. Apple Music and Spotify offer streaming services with personalized playlists and recommendations, while Audible offers a wide selection of audiobooks. These enrich your life by providing entertainment, knowledge, and relaxation. The next one is Shortform, which provides detailed summaries and analysis of non-fiction books in particular. It's a great way to understand complex ideas quickly and decide which books then to read in full. This app is ideal for busy professionals and avid learners who want to stay informed without spending hours reading. As previously mentioned, I like to use it to get a glimpse and preview books that I'm considering reading, or if there are books that have interesting ideas but I don't think I'm going to have the time to read them in full. The next one is Readwise, again keeping in theme with the whole topic of reading. Readwise helps you retain more from your books and articles you read by collecting your highlights and sending you daily reminders. It integrates with Kindle, Instapaper, and other platforms, making it easy to revisit and learn from your favorite passages. If you happen to be an avid reader, it's easy to initially read the content, but often you end up forgetting some of the things that you've previously read. This is why these kind of reminders and refreshers can be really useful. The next one is 1Password, which is a secure password manager that stores and organizes your passwords, credit card information, and other sensitive data. It helps you create strong, unique passwords for each account and makes logging in effortless, enhancing your online security. This is one of those applications that you can't really anticipate the benefits until you give it a go. It removes the need for you having to remember all of your passwords, while at the same time ensures that each one is unique, so that if any kind of data gets hacked, you know that it's only going to be compromised on that particular website. It also provides other convenient options like family sharing, group accounts, and so on, which makes sharing passwords both secure and efficient. And the next one is Meetup. And Meetup is a social media app that connects you with local groups and events that match your interests. Whether you're looking to network professionally, find new hobbies, or meet like-minded people, Meetup helps you build social connections and explore your community. In a big city like London, despite the number of people, it can actually be quite difficult to find like-minded people or people who share your interests. And that's why apps like Meetup can make that whole process much more smooth, because you know the people who attend are also like you looking for connections. But speaking of busy cities, this next one can help alleviate some of that busyness, or at least help you navigate it, and that is Citymapper. Citymapper is a comprehensive transit app that helps you navigate cities by using public transportation. It provides real-time data on routes, schedules, and disruptions, making it easier to plan your trips and get to your destination efficiently. This one has saved me many times, because not only does it give you the most accurate, up-to-date information on travel routes, but it also helps you plan efficiently, knowing how far and how long things are going to take, but also provide many different options depending on your own personal needs. The next one is chess.com, and this is a platform for playing and learning chess. It offers puzzles, tutorials, online matches against players of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or advanced player, chess.com can help you improve your skills and, most importantly, enjoy the game. Of course, there are many different apps and alternative methods to playing chess, but personally I find this one to be the best, partly because it has one of the largest communities, but also the app design is efficient, intuitive, and when it comes to learning, it has all the data you could possibly need, as well as some really nicely laid out tutorials. The next one is primarily a desktop app, and that is Steam, which is a digital distribution platform for video games, offering a vast library of titles across various genres. It provides a community for gamers to connect, share experiences, and enjoy gaming together. If you're at all interested in gaming, particularly PC gaming, then Steam is a must, because not only does it have such an extensive library, but the sales tend to be really impressive, and you can get top quality games on sale for a very low price. Not only this, but you can engage with the active community, whether it comes to game reviews, feedback, comments, or even mods. And overall, I find this to be a very engaging way to continue your gaming journey. The next one is Shazam, which, if you don't know, is a music identification app that quickly tells you the name of any song playing around you. It's a handy tool for discovering new music and keeping track of your favorite tunes, making it easy to build your music library and playlists. If you've ever been in the same situation as me, where you're walking through a shopping center, shop, or some kind of public space, and you hear a song that you either know but can't remember, or you hear a song that you don't know but you wish you could find out more about it so you can listen to it in your own time, Shazam makes that very possible, and I've actually discovered some of my favorite music this way. And the last one to wrap it all up is ChatGPT, or some other AI alternative. This is an AI-powered conversational tool that can assist with a variety of tasks, from answering questions to generating ideas and content. It's like having a personal assistant sitting over your shoulder that can provide information, brainstorm with you, or help with creative writing, making a valuable resource for productivity and learning. Recently, I've been using it to help facilitate a few small passion projects, both in terms of the code, the planning, and overall strategy. So if you know how to use it optimally, it can be an extremely valuable resource. If you want to know more about ChatGPT, what it's capable of, and some of the alternatives, then look at some of my recent videos which goes into these very ideas. For now though, that's the end of this list. If there are any apps that I haven't included or you think I might be interested in, definitely let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video or got something from it, I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, or any other general comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.